Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good morning, student of class 9th. Welcome back in your mathematics class. In new session 5th of circles. Let us start with new exercise or new theorem. In previous video we discussed about the exercise 10.4. Now we discuss question theorem a 10.8. This is the most important theorem for examination point of view. Ani hai. Is it clear? Now what is the theorem? The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by its any point of the remaining part of the circle. This is the circle and this is their center. He says that angle at center, in simply language, angle in center is double of its circumference angle. यानी ये जो एंगल होता है that is double of its angle. If this is a 60, then what is this angle? Yeah, this is a 30. समझ आ गई? ये डबल होता है. This one center angle is double of its circumference angle. Now I tell you this is a 45. Now tell me what is the angle AOB? Yes, that is double. Yeah, see 90. वो half होता है. This is a double. Is it clear? Now we prove. What is the proof? To prove कि angle AOB is double of its circumference angle, that is APB. ये इसका डबल दिखाना है. Now construction. Join the line OA. PO. Sorry. Join line PO. Now come on the proof. Now I am taking the name of the angles. Some angle 1, 2. This is 3. This is a 4. This is a 5. And this one is 6. So now prove the question. बेटे in this triangle OA equal to OB, OA equal to OP. Why? Yes, radius of same circle. एक ही सर्कल का एक ही रेडियस होता है, अलग अलग नहीं होते. Is it clear? In a triangle, if equal side there is a equal angle. So angle 3 equal to angle 4. Reason is equal side has equal opposite angle. In a triangle AOP. Is it clear? Now angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now in this triangle, in triangle again AOP, this is the exterior angle of a triangle, and we learn in a exterior angle in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3 plus 4. What is the reason? Angle 1 is exterior angle of triangle. Is it clear? Now angle 1 is equal to 3 plus 4, but 4 is equal to 3 and 3 is equal to 4. तो आप 4 की जगह क्या 3 की जगह क्या लिख देंगे? 4 लिख देंगे. Is it clear? हमने प्रूव किया. बट एंगल 3 is equal to एंगल 4 और 4 as it is. एंगल 1 is एंगल 1 4 1 4. That is double of एंगल 4. So मैंने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि एंगल 1 डबल है एंगल 4 का. ऐसी जब मैं इधर वाले ट्रायंगल में चलूंगा, सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव व्हाट प्रूव. जिस तरह इसे प्रूव करा, सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव एंगल 2 इज डबल ऑफ एंगल 5. दिस इज आवर सेकंड इक्वेशन. नाउ प्लस इट, फर्स्ट प्लस सेकंड. एंगल 1 प्लस 2, 2 इज कॉमन. एंगल 4 प्लस 5. व्हाट इज द प्यारा सा नेम ऑफ एंगल 1 प्लस 2? दैट इज AOB. Double of angle, what is the प्यारा सा name of 4 and 5? ABP. This is our proof. यही हमें प्रूव करना. So this is our proof. Is it clear my dear? आपने सिर्फ एक ही केस में दिखाने, इसने बहुत सारे केस में दिखा रखा है. इन माइनर आर्क, इन मेजर आर्क. आप सिर्फ इसी केस में दिखाइए बस. ठीक है? Your theorem is proved. Now theorem 10.9. बस इसे इसका स्टेटमेंट याद रखना है. अब ये प्रूफ चलिए मैं प्रूफ कर देता हूँ इसको. This is a simple theorem, very simple theorem, and learn it. This statement, learn it. Yes, theorem 10.9. What is the theorem 10.9? Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. This is a circle again, and this one, this angle in same segment. एक ही तरफ है, चाहे ये का चाहे ये का. हमें प्रूव करना है both are equal. Therefore we prove it to prove angle A equal to angle B. Is it clear? This is the center of a circle in construction. Join OC and OD. This one. अभी कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने भी प्रूव किया था, दिस एंगल एट सेंटर एंड दिस इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस एंगल. तो एंगल एट सेंटर इज डबल ऑफ इट्स सर्कमफ्रेंस एंगल. सो एंगल COD इज डबल ऑफ एंगल A. Reason is angle at center is double of its circumference angle. Is it clear? Now again, this is a center angle and this is a circumference angle. Again COD is double of angle B. Same reason. I hope you understand this both reason. Now by equation first and second, COD is double of angle A and COD is also double of angle B. This is the brother of this and this is the brother of this. This is also both brother. ये भी इसका भाई, ये भी इसका भाई, तो दोनों आपस में क्या होंगे? भाई भाई. तो double of angle A equal to double of angle B. Cancel 2 to 2. So angle A equal to angle B. This is our proof. यही हमें proof करना था. Is it clear my dear? So I hope you understand this question or this theorem. Now our theorem 10.10 से ऊपर बेटे एक इटैलिक लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है, that is angle in a semi circle is the right angle. Most important, ध्यान भी रखना आपने. Angle in a semi circle, जो semi circle में angle है 10th में भी काम आएगा, 11th में भी और 12th में भी. Is it clear? Now come on the proof of angle in semi circle. When are semi circle? When we say the diameter, then angles are in semi circle. Theorem 10.9. This one. This is our diameter. Then we say both here and upper and lower part is the semicircle. Is it clear? And angle in semicircle. This is the angle in semicircle. We prove it. That is it. Right angle. To prove. What is proof? We prove it. That angle ABP is 90. Is it clear? Now, come on the proof. This is the angle at center. अभी थ्योरम की थी हमने. And this is the circumference of angle. So angle AOB what? Double of angle P. Reason is angle at center is double of its. अभी reason भी बताया था मैंने. Center double of its circumference angle. But angle AOB is the straight line and angle of straight line is how many degrees? Yes, that is 180 degrees. That is 180 degrees. So we here write it. AOB is 180. The value, put the value of AB here. AOB is 180 and is equal to double of angle P. Now it is multiplied. Now it is in divided to 90. So angle P full name is APB is 90. This is our proof. Small proof. Only 2 lines proof. And this is the most important proof. But is it clear, my dear? Now again our next, that is the cyclic quadrilateral. What is the cyclic quadrilateral? This is the most important topic of this chapter. Cyclic quadrilateral. CYCLIC QUADRILATERLS quadrilaterals. But in a circle, a quadrant whose all vertex lies on the circumference of a circle is called the cyclic quadrilateral. इसके चारों वर्टेक्स सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस पे लाई करते हैं, ऐसा क्वाड्रिलेटर दैट इज कॉल्ड द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटर. सर्कल के अंदर, ठीक है, साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटर. इज इट क्लियर माय डियर? नाउ देयर इज अ थ्योरम 10.11, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम. द सम ऑफ आइदर अपोजिट्स एंगल ऑफ ए साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटर इज 180. ये करनी है आपने थ्योरम, लेकिन 10.12 रहने दीजिए, लेकिन 10.11 करनी है. द सम ऑफ द आइदर पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ ए साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटर इज 180. प्रूव करके दिखाऊंगा आपको कि अपोजिट एंगल का सम साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटर का दैट इज 180. कितना होता है? 180 होता है. दिस इज आवर सर्कल एंड दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल एंड दिस इज द साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटर. क्या प्रूव करना है मुझे? P Q R S. We prove to prove opposites angle sum, angle P plus R is 180 or angle Q plus R S is 180. दोनों प्रूव करके दिखाएंगे. Sum of opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180. Now proof. First of all, we deal with the construction. What is the construction? Join OS and OQ. Join OQ and OS. Come on the proof. This is the center of a circle, and where this is the circumference of a angle circumference. Now the center angle is double of its circumference angle. Angle QO. Sorry, this is gave the name angle 1. Angle 1 is double of angle P. Again, this is the angle at center and this is the angle at circumference. So again, angle 2 is double of angle R. What is the reason? Angle at center is double of its circumference angle. Is it clear? Now plus by equation first and 3 second. That is angle 1 plus 2. 2 is common. Here angle in a bracket angle P plus R. What is the value of angle 1 and 2 plus 2? This is the given the circle, make the circle. So circle is 360. That yes. 360 double of angle P plus R to 180. So angle P plus R is 180. This is our first proof. Is it clear? Now our second proof, Q plus R is 180. How we prove this? Now we know that this is a quadrilateral, and we know also that the some angle sum property of quadrilateral, that is P plus Q plus R plus S is 360. हमें पता है कि P plus Q plus R plus S मिला के कितने का होता है? That is 360. In which अभी हमें प्रूव किया P plus R that is 180. So P plus R की जगह क्या लिख देंगे? 180 and Q plus S is 360. इसे तो ले जाइए, taking this to right hand side. Then it is in plus, that is in minus. So 360 minus 180, that is our 180. Is it clear? And this is our proof first and second. This is the most important theorem, my dear. I am saying again, I hope you understand this theorem. And today's session, in next session we discuss examples and exercise of this chapter. My dear, I am again repeat, please do all the work. अब तक जितना भी काम हो चुका है, प्लीज़ इसे अपनी नोटबुक में कर लीजिए. मैं किसी दिन भी नोटबुक मंगवा लूँगा आपसे क्लास में. I know that there is a how many student in class 9th and name all of it in my tips. In my tips. किसी को भी नाम से बुला लूँगा मैं आपको. Is it clear, my dear? तो अच्छा यही है, प्लीज़ आप अपनी कॉपी बना लीजिए. देयर इज 5 मार्क्स ऑफ अ कॉपी नोटबुक. आपकी नोटबुक के 5 मार्क्स हैं एटलीस्ट. इज इट क्लियर? सो माय डियर, इन नेक्स्ट सेशन अगेन वी डिस्कस फर्दर क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. टिल देन, थैंक यू वेरी मच.